My name's Aaron. I use the pen tool to make triangles in Photoshop. So now we have a new project open, and I'm going to grab the pen tool. I currently have it at red color, that's fine. And you can see the pen tool has that little X on it, and that means it's going to start a new path. And I click it, whoop, and nothing happened too much there, so I kind of screwed up. But now I can show you the other function. Now, whenever it has the little the hash mark or the / it means that it is going to continue that point. So I'm clicking on it. Click. Come on, click. Okay. And then I move to another one. And then I'm going to go somewhere else. And it already fills up with color. And then I'm going to, and then you see that little 0 mark on the pen tool, and I click it, and it's nice and closed. So why use the pen tool rather than anything else? Well, the cool thing about the pen tool is it's infinitely scalable. It uses vectors, which are kind of mathematical calculations, so that you can make it as big as the moon or as small as a mouse. Now I'm going to use the path selection tool to select it, and use the pen tool, and now you can see there's a little plus sign on there. This I can add extra points to it, or I can use or it turns into a minus sign, and then I can subtract them. But really, you can make any 3 points with this tool, and you can make a triangle. Very easy, and how it does it is it starts with like a solid color, and it kind of uses a mask. A few other things is to use the direct selection tool. Down here is the white one, and you can select the corners by themselves, and you can edit them, or you can drag it and you can select more than one. And so now you move it around like this, or move this one, and you can create whatever shape, equilateral, acute. My name is Aaron Croman. Good luck with your art.